Hello dear friends of our YouTube channel. Today's video is all about introducing you to our brand new web app of the MPR Academy. With our web app, you can stay updated with the all latest from our school, whether it is videos, courses, masterclass, live sessions, or recorded classes. Everything you need is now in one place in our school. Starting today, we'll be broadcasting directly from our app. You'll find content in multiple languages, including free and paid courses. We'll also host live webinars to keep all of you informed about our activities and to educate both our patients and our colleagues. Our academy is a true educational hub for all health sciences, catering to doctors, dentists, physiotherapists, osteopaths, and much more. You'll find a wide range of topics related to all health topics. And our academy will provide you with the latest updates, including new courses, free and paid live webinars, and you'll also be able to participate directly in discussions forums where you can share your opinions, suggest new topics, and engage in conversations about all aspects of the health sciences. Registering into the Web Academy is very simple. Just click in the link in the description, enter your email and your password, and you'll immediately be part of the fascinating world of the MPR web app. Don't miss this opportunity to join a unique community dedicated to holistic treatment, teamwork, and patient-centered care. We look forward to see many of you in our academy, participating in our courses, webinars, direct chats, and much more on the M.P.R International Academy web application. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon in our academy community. Stay tuned for more updates and exciting content. Bye for now, and see you in the web application of the International MPR Academy. See you soon.